Hi, welcome to the channel. Something a little bit different. I got a correspondence today, and this is from Kevin at Hope This Works, a YouTube channel you ought to be looking at, and I know what's in here. Oh, he also has a second channel called Makin Sawdust, and I'll put those links up here, here, wherever they end up. There'll be a little white square with a link to his channel. Maybe I'll put it down in the doobly-doo also. So Kevin's a YouTube creator, content maker, an inspirational collector of things. He's in Wyoming. Great state of Wyoming. He just moved into a little house with the help of Bob from the Self Reliant Road Show. You know, there'll be a link somewhere to Bob's channel for the Self Reliant Road Show. It's pretty interesting. Goes around helping people in need. So anyways, Kevin, whose channel I really like, and I would suggest that you check it out, thought one of my wisecracking comments was funny, so he sent me a little present. And I figured I'd share it with you. Come on. Ooh. His wife, taped it in there. Pink paper, must be his wife, Billy Joe. Check this out. This is the world's smallest end grain cutting board. Now, how cool is that? I loved it. And I think there's 3 or 4 pieces of wood in there. Was this focusing okay? How's that? How cool is that? So, thank you goes out to Kevin and his wife Billy Joe for sending that out to me. I got a spot of glue here. Anyways, follow Kevin's channel. He's just moved into a little small house that he's making the basement into a workshop and, you know, trucking along, making things, and making a living at it. So, thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Billy Joe. Thank you for dropping in. Oh, and don't forget to share this video around. Like and subscribe. I want to thank all my older subscribers. And I'd like to thank, there's been a whole bunch of new ones lately. So a big shout out to you too. Thanks to all of you. Have a great day. Peace out.